What's up, you guys? Back again with another natural hair video for the channel. In today's video I'll be doing a cute natural hairstyle on my natural hair. Basically, I'll be braiding the front part of my hair, and then the back part I'll be leaving it out curly. I'll be doing some finger coiling to the back of my hair. So without further ado, before we get into it, I just would like to say, if you are new here, hi, my name is Christine and I welcome you to my natural hair channel. This channel is all about natural hair, how to take care of your natural hair and falling in love with the crown that the Lord has blessed you with. So if you like those type of videos, do give this video a big thumbs up from now, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you can see more natural hair contents on my channel. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I parted my hair. So as I said, the back I'm gonna do like a wash and go, finger coiling, and to the front I'm gonna be braiding the front. Okay guys, so of course I'm gonna start at the back. I'm gonna spritz the hair, that way it can be saturated. And the products I'll be using today, guys, is none other than my body gel, and also I'll be adding a little bit of the Echo Styler gel, and also I'll be using my Denman brush. Okay guys, so I'll basically be doing this all over the back of my hair. I won't bore you with this, you guys already know how I do my finger coiling. So I'll be back once the back of my hair is finished. Okay guys, I am now back. The back of my hair is all finished. I love the way it turned out. Finger curls have never failed me yet, guys. So now I'm gonna start on the front. Yes. So this is how big I want to do it, or how small. To me, this is medium. So I'll go ahead and I'll add my moisturizing gel to the hair. Gonna comb it out. And now it's time to do the braid. Go ahead and I'm gonna do like the boho method, so which means I'll be leaving little pieces of my hair out. And I'm not gonna braid it all the way down. And then the little pieces, I'm gonna curl that up. And then I'm gonna do the same for this little piece. And I'm gonna make sure that and it's curled. And proceed. Take out a little piece. can already tell that this style is gonna look so cute. Like I said, I'm not gonna braid it all the way down. I'm touching back up the other finger coils in the back. Making sure they're really defined. Okay guys, I'm gonna demonstrate to you all how I do my braid, which is the inward braid. So I basically start out at the very tip and I separate this section into 3 parts, and then I start tucking each part under each time, under, and while I'm tucking it under, I'm grabbing piece of hair at the same time. See, my fingers is going in the on the motion, and while braiding down, I'm grabbing section of hair. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see that it is nothing complicated. I'm making sure to braid it not too tight, because as you guys can see, I have thin edges. So I'm very particular with my edges. If you guys hear noise in the background, that's my kids playing. And that's it. So I reached it until the very end, and I'll go ahead and braid down. So I'm taking a little section to do my boho braid. So I left this section out. This style is so cute, guys. When I first saw the boho braid, I was like, I have to go ahead and try it. But a lot of people, when they do try it, they do single plaits. And there I am braiding it. I have never seen anyone braid like straight down the guinea braid and then do the boho with the braid. And I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna separate and do finger coil at the end. And of course, I'm gonna smooth the little strand that I left out. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. Oof. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm almost done with this side. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish up, and then I'll come back to show you guys my final results. Okay guys, I am all finished and I am loving it. It turned out so cute. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I am loving it, guys. Oh wow, the curls are just popping. They are soft as well because I use my daddy gel. And yes, I'll see how long this style will last me. Hopefully it will last me more than 1 week, and I am loving it. Oh my gosh. If you guys haven't yet tried this style on your natural hair, go ahead and do so. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you like this style, if you will try it. Yeah, leave some comments down below. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. And do give this video a big thumbs up. And as I always say, stick with me because I'll be bringing you some more natural hair videos. Thanks guys, bye.